right into number 3 of 7. This is practicing photography. You can find these tips on photomentum.com, so check that out. So looking at this tip here, this is number 3. You'll notice the dates are all the same. That's because I moved my website to a new location. So you'll notice that's the date I re-upload all of these. Don't need that. All right, so if I click on that one, it brings us into tip number 3. Learn the exposure triangle. The exposure triangle, I'm not going to teach you how to use it here. Just know that it exists. There are 3 parts of the exposure triangle. That's the shutter speed, the aperture, and the ISO. All 3 of these control how much light comes into your camera or how much is sensed by your camera. Each has a different impact on how the camera exposes the photo and what the photo will look like when it gets done. When you think you got it mastered, there's a feature on it that you're just going to wish you knew a little bit more. I've been studying it for a long time and I still don't know all of it. I'm still learning when I should use aperture or shutter or ISO to get the exposure I want, to get the effect that I want. So as I said in the previous week, if you didn't check it out, once you play with this and you're learning, put it back in automatic. So that's a repeat of tip number 2, but tip number 3 is learn that exposure triangle. Hope you're enjoying this. Hit the subscribe and like.